solution. Hello guys, Cyborn. Today I'm gonna show you everything about discrod lite. Actually this is third party software, not official, but don't worry, I have been using this for a year. I didn't have any problem yet, so don't worry. Let's go to the video. Hello guys, ඔයාලට පේනවා මෙතන ස්ටෙප් 4ක් තියෙනවා. මේ software ගොඩක්ම වැදගත් වෙන්නේ ඔයාලගේ low in PC එකක් තියෙනවනම් මේ software එකට ගොඩක් අඩුවෙන් තමයි CPU එක usage වෙන්නේ. මම හැම link එකක්ම description එකේ දාන්නම්. first step එකේදී ඔයාලා download කරගන්න ඕනි ripcord එක install කරගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ දෙවෙනියට තමයි අපි මේකට log in වෙන්න අපේ discord account එකට browser එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා browser එකක් විතරයි මේකේදී පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඊළඟට අපි අපේ token එක හොයාගන්න ඕනි අපේ account එකට අදාළ. ඊළඟට ඒක copy paste කරලා අපේ software එකට අපේ software එක සකස් කරගන්න පුළුවන් අවශ්‍ය විදිහට. So guys, here we have some 4 step right here. First you need to download and install the ripcord. I will put all the link in description, so don't worry about that. Second, we need to log in your discord account using a browser. In this case I'm using Chrome web browser, doesn't matter, you can using something like that. Third, we need to find the token. Just find the token, then copy and paste, right? I'm gonna show you all the tasks right now, so don't worry, just follow me. We can do this together, right? Okay guys, first we need to do download and install the ripcord software. I'm gonna show you. Just open your web browser and search it, ripcord download, and you can see result here, and just click on it. Here we have some version right here. We just need Windows version. Just click on it and it will download. I'm not going to download because I'm already downloaded. So after you download, you can see file like this, and I'm just already created a folder and rename it ripcord, just empty folder, right? Just drag and drop this file to your empty folder, right? Okay, just extract here. Cool. If you want, you can delete it, otherwise you can keep it, right? It doesn't matter, doesn't important. You can extract here, right? Okay, here you have the icon right here. Just double click on it and open. Okay, after you open the software, you will see right here add account. Just click on it and add discord account, right? Click on it, just click on it. Okay, as you can see, it requires some account token right here, so we need to find our token. Just cancel. Okay, and you need to log your discord account, right? Okay, okay, I'm already logged my discord account. I'm gonna open my account through web browser, right? Just click right here, right? Okay, okay, it open my account, right? This is, you need to use a web browser, right? You can't do this with software, you just need a web browser. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press in my keyboard, press Control Shift and I. Okay, just the 3 button together, right? I repeat, Control Shift and I in your keyboard, right? Okay, after you click this 3 button, it will open some windows like this, right? Okay, it as you can see, it has more tabs right here. you just need to click on network tab, right? Okay, after click network tab, we need to refresh the page. We need to refresh this page, right? You can see right here, Control plus R. You need to press Control plus R in your browser, right? Okay, I'm gonna press. Okay, it refreshing, right? Okay, cool. After refresh done, you can see something like that. Just find this one, right? Just find this one. It will start with library, and I'm got some text right here. Just don't worry. It's just started library, just library, or you can see some text right here. Just don't care about that. Just click on it, right? Just it started library, right? Just don't get confused, right? Okay, just click on it, and I'm gonna find request header right here. Request header, just find request header. Okay, under the request header you can see authorization right here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, right here, authorization. This is our token, right? Just copy that token carefully, right? Just copy that token carefully. Be careful, don't miss any letter. Okay, copy, and just back to our software. Okay, just click on add account right here, add discount account, and just paste your token right here and click OK. Okay, you can see right here we add our discount account. Now what you need to do, you need to click on it and just click on it and right click on it, just connect, right? Just connect. Okay, we connected our account. As you can see, this is my channel, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you some setting in software. It will useful for you. Just open software, and here we have some autocorrect tab, right? Just click on it and you will auto connect when you open the software. If you want, just uncheck it, right? It's up to you. Okay, second, just click on this channel, and here we have some voice channel right here. Just click on it and join this voice channel. Okay, after I join this channel, I got two window right here. Okay, two window right here, as you can see right here, two window. You can change some setting if you want. I'm gonna tell you, if I'm close this window, I will leave this. I will leave from this channel, right? I will show you. I'm gonna close this and I left this channel. You can see right here. Okay, next I show you. Click on this view and preferences. Okay, this style here, you can see there are a lot of themes right here. If you want, you can change it, right? Beautiful themes right here. Okay, and මෙතන යාළුවනේ තියෙනවා ඔයාලට මොනවයි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් මෙතන මේ ඔඩියෝ සම්බන්ධයෙන් හරි ප්‍රශ්න දැනෙන්නේ මයික් එකේ සම්බන්ධ එහෙම ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් මෙතන ඒවා මාරු කරලා බලන්න. It's all up to you, right? If you have any issue with the audio, you can change and check it, right? It's all up to you. If you don't have any issue with this audio part, don't make any change, right? Just keep it default. Okay, and this apply. Okay, now I'm gonna show you CPU usage for this ripcord software. Okay, at this moment it doesn't use any CPU. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.